Hi there friends, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. So it is the time of the month where I share the projects that I created for this latest Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. If you are new to my channel or have never heard of the ScrapRoom Kit Club, make sure to check the description below because it will have a direct link to the website. And basically it's a kit club, and the Flavors of the Month is specifically 4 mini kits of the newest collections that are out there. You get 3 pattern papers, all double-sided, 2 cardstock, and either a sticker sheet, a die cut pack, or something like that. And you get 4 of those in this kit, and so you get a sampling of the latest collections that are out there. So I'm just going to gloss over the first 4 layouts because they all have a process video. You will, if you want to check that out, if you've never seen it before, you can check out my playlist that says process video. The last 4 should be these layouts right here. Okay, so first one, this layout was created with the Simple Stories. I believe it's Cruisin' Line. And this is actually my assignment for the sketch for this month. I love the water themed, and I was able to use it for this pirate themed layout. And so that is my first page. And then the second page I have is this one featuring the photo play paper. Ooh, I forgot what the title of this is. It is the Squeeze in Some Fun collection. So I love that I was able to create my own embellishments for this layout with ice cream and be able to feature the pattern papers as well. So this is the second layout. And then the third layout is a multi-photo with lots and lots of pictures. This one features the Bella Boulevard fireworks and Freedom collection. So as you can see, lots of photos, but then I also had enough room to be able to decorate it as well. So the fourth one is my assignment for recipe. If you're a subscriber, you get 4 recipes for double page layout. So 4 double page layout instructions, cutting, directions, and all of that. And this is my assignment for that. And this one features the Pink Paisley, Indigo, and Ivy collection. And then I always create 2 more projects after I create my 4 assignments, just because I love that this kit has a lot of products that you will be able to make more than 4 layouts with it. So the first one, let me just show you the layout first and then I'll show you the cards. So this one is again, it's my extra layout for this month, and as you can see, I just had some leftovers or scraps left over from the projects that I created, and so I just cut them into strips and created a very colorful border on the white cardstock, and then I put my 5 photos, and because it's 5 and it's not balanced, I put in another 3x4 spot where I put in my title, and then I did put my journaling on the bottom and some stickers and other items. Now the happy and the birthday, those are from my stash just because I needed to create a title, but everything else is from the Flavors of the Month kit. Oh, and also the embellishment add-on kit, which I get as well. And then the last one are sets of cards. I always create a set of cards just because I have a lot of products, and it's always good to have cards on hand for, to give a special handmade greeting to family and friends. So I don't know if you can tell, but they're all the same design. I have the block, the little strip in the center, and then 3 circles. But then I used 3 different collections. This one's the Bella Boulevard, this one's the Photo Play, and this one's the Simple Stories. And I basically just used some stickers and some sequins to finish it up. I did use my distresser. Raise your hand if you still have your Heidi Swap distressor. I do. But I distressed all of the circles just to kind of give it a little bit of dimension. I also distressed the blocks of paper in the background as well. But those are my cards for this month. If you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you want to see still shots of these layouts, you can always check out my blog, which I will always link in the description below, because I do post these as just the photos on my blog as well. So if you want to look at it and kind of dissect it a little bit more, study it a little bit more to get all of the inspiration that you want to get from it, you can always check out my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye.